Welcome to Practical Data Science. I'm Steve, your Chief Data Enthusiast, and you've joined me today in my series on using Excel for simple data science. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to use Excel to create a simple data table. Through this video, you'll gain an understanding of data tables, learn how to create a simple data table, learn how to make your data table user-friendly, learn how to access your data with Excel functions. For this example, I'll be using the Titanic dataset that can be found via kaggle.com. The link to the Kaggle dataset can be found in the description below, or alternatively, I'll also provide a link to an Excel spreadsheet that'll be ready for your use. Let's look at the dataset. The Titanic dataset consists of 12 headers and 891 rows. The entries consist of several data types, including numbers, text, and currency. The simplest way to create a data table is to select any cell within the dataset and click on the Format as Table. From here, you'll have multiple pre-created designs to select from. Once you've created a table, you will notice a Table Design tab in your ribbon. This tab consists of table properties, tools, external table data, table style options, and table styles. I'm going to demonstrate now how to access your data table through two simple functions, the COUNTIF and the COUNTIFS functions. Selecting column O, row 2, I'm going to type in equals COUNTIF open bracket. I'm going to select the survived range. I'm going to enter a comma and a 1 and a close bracket. The 1 symbolizes that the passenger had survived. A 0 would be they did not survive. We can see from this data set that 342 passengers had survived the sinking of the Titanic. Let's count how many that did not survive. Again, type in equals, COUNTIF, open bracket, select the survived range, comma, and this time 0. Close bracket, enter. We can see that 549 passengers did not survive the sinking of the Titanic. Let's expand our parameters. Let's see how many males survived, did not survive, how many females survived, and did not survive. Next, we're going to expand our parameters to see how many males and females survived, and how many males and females do not survive. Let's see how many males survived. Select cell O5 and type in equals COUNTIFS, open bracket. The first parameter that we're going to select is column E. Hit comma, and then select the word male in cell N5. Hit comma again. Let's add our second parameter. So we're going to select column B, comma, and the number 1, close bracket. Now from those that survived, we can see that 109 males survived the sinking of the Titanic. Let's try again, this time for females. So in cell O6, type in equals COUNTIFS, open bracket. Select the sex column, comma, select the word female, comma, select the survived column, comma, and the number 1, close bracket. Hit enter, and you can see that 233 females survived the sinking of the Titanic. Let's see how many didn't survive. I'll do this one slightly quicker. Equals COUNTIFS, sex, comma, male, comma, survived, comma, 0. You see that 468 males did not survive. And lastly, female equals count if S, sex, comma, female, comma, survived, comma, 0, close bracket, enter, and we can see 81 female passengers do not survive the sinking of the Titanic. This concludes this video on how to create a simple data table using Excel. For more videos like this, subscribe to the Practical Data Science channel. This is your Chief Data Enthusiast, signing off.